The new pier was originally named the Brighton Marine Palace and was designed by Richard St George Moore. Work started in the Palace Pier in November 1881. However, the enormity of the project wasn't realised and the developers had to request permission from the government to allow extra time to complete the build. In 1896, disaster struck as a raging storm washed away the old chain pier, causing serious damage to the partly built Palace Pier. The future of the Palace Pier was in question when the Marine Palace and the Pier Company admitted defeat and were looking to liquidate the company. However, at the last hour, Sir James Howard offered financial help. Intensive building work continued for 3 years before the Palace Pier was finally opened in the grand ceremony on the 20th of May, 1899. Maintaining Brighton Palace Pier is a continuous operation which is managed on a daily basis by a maintenance team called deckhands. Painting Brighton Palace Pier in its entirety takes 3 months to complete. This task is executed every year.